If you want to save time and reduce manual work in Zoho CRM, learning how to automate tasks is extremely important. Automation helps you handle repetitive actions like sending emails, assigning tasks, or updating records without doing everything manually. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so even beginners can set up automation easily. First, log into your Zoho CRM account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Setup section by clicking on the gear icon in the top corner. Under Setup, look for the Automation section and select Workflow Rules. This is where you create automated actions. Now click on Create Rule. Choose the module where you want automation, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Give your rule a name and set the trigger. For example, you can choose to run the automation when a record is created, edited, or meets certain conditions. Next, define the condition. This means deciding when the automation should happen. For example, you can set a rule that triggers when a deal stage is marked as closed won. After setting the condition, move to the Action section. Here you can choose what happens automatically. You can send an email notification, assign a follow-up task, update a field, or even trigger a webhook. Select the action that fits your needs and configure the details. Once everything is set, save and activate the workflow rule. From now on, Zoho CRM will automatically perform those actions whenever the conditions are met. In short, go to Setup, create a workflow rule, define triggers and conditions, and choose actions to automate repetitive tasks in Zoho CRM. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.